Alright, if you're looking to take your MACD game to the next level, we think our Savvy MACD dashboard is there to do it. Stick around, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration video of this dashboard in action. Alright everybody, welcome, and this is Ben from TradingStrategyGuides.com, and today I'm going to show you a quick demo video of the Savvy MACD dashboard for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So please note that the Savvy MACD dashboard is not the same as the Savvy MACD indicator. The Savvy MACD indicator is a free indicator that we developed for everybody, for all MetaTrader 4 and 5 users. And so if you would like that indicator, simply go to our website, you can grab it there, or we might have something in the description that you can also grab it, or just look up Savvy MACD indicator. It'll be there somewhere. You'll be able to find it. So you can get that. It's 100% free, and it looks like this. This is the free indicator that we developed. But the dashboard is, it just takes this indicator to the next level. So what it does is it'll allow you to say you wanted to see the MACD indicator. Let's just do a quick example right now. So if I wanted to do the MACD indicator on the euro dollar, the USD CAD, and the pound yen or something like that. So let's go here, euro dollar. Let's go over to the MACD, put that on. Here's the old crummy MACD. Let's just go to the pound yen. Let's go to the MACD. Oh, wrong one. This is just ridiculous. Go here, there's our MACD, and let's just go, it doesn't really matter. And let's go to the MACD, so that was kind of annoying, kind of took a little bit, and this MACD is garbage, and so there's really, it doesn't really show you much, and it took me a little bit to do just 3 different pairs. But if I wanted to look up those 3 different pairs all at once, very quickly, simply put, I do 1, 2, 3 mini charts. Do I want to pull them out, different ones? Sure. Let's go this one, and this one. And there we go. I got all 3. Our nice MACD indicator, Savvy MACD. Put them all 3 very quickly, easily, and set up all with our new Savvy MACD indicator. So that's kind of one of the advantages of having a dashboard. And by the way, you can see these nice little mini charts. So if you briefly wanted to see something real quick, say you wanted to see the USD yen hourly chart, you can kind of get a preview of that. And if you want to see more, click on the chart. And so why don't we look at the MACD indicator on every single thing in our market watch? How are we going to do that? That's impossible. I mean, there's really no way to do that. Well, with our Savvy MACD dashboard, there actually is. And simply put, you just choose the mode that you want, and then we want to see every single pair in our market watch. Which what that means is, if you're not familiar with MetaTrader, this trade broker, which is Trader's Way, it's just a demo account. Here's all of the different symbols that they allow you to trade. And so every single one, I want to see the MACD, what's going on, every single one of these on, let's just go to the monthly chart. Let's just see where's the MACD in relation to the 0 line on the monthly chart on the Euro New Zealand, and the pound yen, and the USD yen. Alright, cool. I want to see all that. Let's go ahead and go to the properties. Let's go here to the dashboard. Let's go all symbols and click OK. And we got some crazy alerts happening, and that's what usually happens when you do that first. And then boom. And now we see every single pair where the MACD is on whatever time frame. What time frame do you want? Do you want to do the monthly? Let's go to the monthly, like I said. Great. Let's click on the monthly, and so now we're able to see euro, dollar, and the monthly, and that we'll be able to we'll tell you what each of these represent. There's 5 specific symbols. There's values, the signals across the price and the divergence. When you sign up and you go in the members area, we have a very long instructional video on what each of these represent. Basically what this is, if you see all the down, it's going to be it's most likely a downtrend, and what do you know, we're at a downtrend on the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart, very, very high time frame, but you see that we have been, MACD's been down, it's been down, long downtrend. And so Let's go back to the euro dollar monthly, and we can just do that with every single one of these. Interesting to note that on the monthly chart, a lot of these pairs have been in a downtrend for all these different things, all these different symbols. So it's very interesting to see that you're never going to be like with any other tool out there. I don't think you're going to be able to see all of this information all at once at the same time in relation to the MACD indicator with very, very specific different signals with crosses, with prices, with divergence. So we're showing you different kind of divergence, and it's just like it's all in one place. It's all in one area that you're gonna be able to see. If you're a scalper, come down here the minute. I don't know how valuable this would be. It's going to be a little bit crazy there. There we go. We did load it up. Whenever you have all of this going on all at once, so much data coming through that it takes a little bit to run through, but it did do it fairly quick there in about like 3 or 4 seconds. So that's pretty nice. So now we're able to see where what the MACD's doing. And every single one of these, every single arrow represents something in relation to our unique savvy MACD indicator. So for instance, if we see all this going down, this is a pretty good indication. Let's go ahead and look at that one. Actually, this is all down, and so we look at the chart. This is a little bit crazy because it is remember this is the minute time chart, and so everything's down here. Our signal line's down here, the value line's down there. The price is going down, everything's underneath our moving averages, and so our dashboard is going to show, boy, I'm getting some crazy alerts down here. Our dashboard is going to show you that it's everything is down there on the minute time frame. So that's really there's so much more that I could share with this dashboard, but that's kind of the basics behind this dashboard. Is A, it's going to save you a ton of time using the MACD indicator, and B, it's going to have unique different signals that are available that were not available anywhere else but on our dashboard. Different crosses, different prices, different divergence, different signals, and different values. Each of these are unique in their own way, and they all represent something different. And so when you see 4 in a row like we just looked at, it's quite obvious that there is a downtrend and something good's about to happen. And so we're down below there, we're down below there, we're underneath the 0 line, and this looks like it may be heading to the downside. But remember, this is the minute time chart, so if you're trading down here in a minute, good luck to you. It's very crazy down here, but you know, if you need the MACD, this is definitely going to be the best place to go for that. And so really, let's see, what else can I talk about here? There's so much other stuff here. Let's go. I'm going to dive into the settings real quick, and then we'll wrap this up. I just really wanted to show you just the ins and outs and the different settings. So let's go and look at the dashboard alerts. And so they go look, because everybody always wants to know if there's any kind of alerts. And so yes, we do have a lot of alerts, and we have notifications. Notifications, if you don't know, you can set up on your phone, on your mobile device, and you're going to be able to get alerts through your mobile device that way. But the alerts will come in through like this. This is the alerts, and then the notifications come through your mobile device. And so you're gonna be able to see the alerts on the MACD 0 line cross. You'll be able to see the single line cross, the MACD, and then alert on the price broke whenever there's a slow EMA. So we added an exponential moving average. We added this one, so when it breaks that, it'll alert you on that. So we added a few different things for you, and a few different alerts, and you're going to be able to see that. So let's look at one more setting, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Let's go ahead and look at the different. So if you don't want to see, say you don't want to see this divergence price or cross, or you want to see something else, you can just turn these things on or turn these things off. You're going to change all these colors. I know everybody loves to change all their colors, so let's go ahead and just go black for the strong downtrend. And we have weak signals, weak up signals, we have strong up signals, we have strong down signals, and weak down signals. And so the defaults are pretty interesting with those. Let's go ahead and change all these colors up, because I know you guys love to change all these colors. No pattern found. We'll go this color. Let's just go crazy here. Some of these this actually might be a terrible idea. I guess we'll have to wait and see. And then the symbol color is going to make it look extremely colorful, but you know what? If you want to change the colors, you change the colors. So there we go. So we got red, teal, So it's kind of pretty, and it changes all these. So what you'll be able to say you don't know what this means, or you don't know what this means. Come up here and look, or come down here and look. This is the strong up, strong down. This is the going steady. This arrow going that way, and then the zero line, obviously. Whenever you see a square, you're going to be able. It's going to be actually at the zero line of the MACD indicator, and so that's basically it. That's the very, very generic overview of this dashboard. Hopefully, I kind of showed you enough to where you would be interested or not interested in this. If you are, go ahead and click on the link either below or wherever this video is posted. It was on YouTube or on page somewhere. Go ahead and click on that link if you're interested in it to learn more or to grab this access to this. It's actually going to be available at a special price for a limited time, and so you'll see all that on the page. But yeah, so if you have any questions for us, go ahead and maybe jump over to YouTube, if it's video on YouTube, give some comments, or message us at info@tradingstrategyguides.com, and we will get back with you on there. And if you have any other questions about this dashboard. All right, guys, have a good day, and I hopefully you enjoyed this this demo video of the Savvy MACD dashboard.